the onions, and he's using a pretty big pan here. It's about 24 inches diameter. It's going to feed about 15 people, even though we are not 15 today. we are only half of that. So we're only 7 here, but the kids might join us too,
Yes,
right?
yes, they love this. They love it.
So if the kids join us and if they are very hungry, we'll try to finish it. I'm sure we are going to finish it because this is going to be delicious. Right?
Yes, and it's a it's a Christmas time, holidays, and
It's a perfect dish for holiday.
Yes, as you see,
It's a lot of work, but it's well worth it.
And memorable. I hope you'll enjoy
You'll
it.
remember this all the
Yes.
time.
Thank you, Margaret, for this one. I mean,
Thank you too, guys.
yes.
And also adding the garlic here.
Okay. So tell us what you're doing here.
So
Shira.
onion and garlic, regular with the olive oil that I put at the beginning.
Okay,
you
he's
know.
sauteing the onions and garlic.
The onion was a little bit too much. That's
It's
why
okay,
I'm not
there is-
using it all.
There's not a such thing like too much onions. Put the whole thing. I love onions.
Me too.
Everything I cook, I put like tons of onions.
Cooked onion is okay with me, but regular raw
Yeah.
onion, I'm not so.
Hard to digest.
I even like raw onions in my salads.
Yeah, it's healthy.
It's healthy, yeah. We start smelling the onions and garlic. It smells so good. I wish you were here to see it.
So this is the base, as we discussed. We're going to also add, we put tomato and the peppers. Now we're going to add also the artichokes. We're going to cook them a little bit. Yep, this way.
Growing up, I didn't like fish. I didn't like seafood because in Armenia we don't have sea. We have only a lake. And we were used to only one kind of a fish, which was our ishkan, and it's like the trout.
But it's dry. But it's kind of dry, isn't it?
No, this is how you cook it.
Oh, really?
It's delicious. It's a very delicious fish. And it's growing up, we didn't grow up by the sea, so we were not that seafood lovers. But as I'm growing older, that's the only thing I eat. only seafood.
All right.
This is the
You
last
know what's coming?
step, right?
What's coming now?
I can smell the aroma.
Yeah, I can smell it. It smells so good.
Let's wait and see.
What is this? This is-
Saffron is there.
Cheers.
Cheers to you guys. Cheers.
Glass of wine here, more than about a
Now-
glass and a half.
Okay.
Time to hear the sizzling.
Yeah, we drank half of the glass there, but the
bottle.
other bottle, actually,
And
yeah, half
the rest.
half the bottle is here, and the other half is going into the pan.
So you guys drank half the bottle, so the food is
Yeah.
not gonna be complete now. No, we're
Yes.
good.
We're
I
good
think
with
that's
it.
good enough.
Don't
So,
forget to enjoy while you're
Half a
cooking.
bottle of good wine. That's the main ingredient. Actually, no, I'm just kidding. Half the bottle of wine. It's a very good wine. It's a Chardonnay. It's very smooth.
D'accord.
Just make sure that it's not
D'accord.
sweet.
Yeah.
It's not our Armas wine. We usually drink Armas, and I think Armas is coming. It's on its way. We'll be drinking Armas to Victoria here to you.
Cheers, Victoria.
We're going to
Cheers.
drink your Armas shortly. So shortly we'll taste it. It's Armenian wine and it's the best. I usually drink Armas.
Now it's time to. Sorry about that.
Yes. Yeah, well, cheers to my friend because I have a friend. She's from Armenia and she has a winery. We usually
she
order
does.
her wines
Okay.
and we drink her wines. Victoria,
That's
cheers to
Armas.
you. We're going
Oh,
to
wow.
introduce Armas to our friends today.
All right.
Cheers to our
Cheers to that too.
All right. Cheers.
Shortly,
to
it's coming.
Armas. We'll try that.
My sister is bringing Armas.
Starting with chicken. We're gonna put the chicken first because they need the most time to cook. So we spread it around, like around the whole plate.
Trying to cover the whole surface.
That's right. And here it is. The squids.
Okay, squid is next.
Yeah, I'm putting those little, the shrimps actually, I'm putting them at the edges. It's more decorative, more than anything. Yeah, can you bring the mussels please, Maria? Okay.
So they're fresh.
Oh, now we're gonna need some hot water, Maria, please. Fill up the hot water so that we can put the rice and continue on. So we're gonna fill the pores with rice. Any space that we can find, we're gonna fill with the rice. We decided to decrease the amount of the rice to
So we're going to use two cups instead of
2.5. It depends how.
So how many cups of water?
Well, let me see how much we're gonna put here. No, I think that three cups of rice will be okay. It's gonna be less rice. Give me the rest of the rice.
Saffron.
So you're going to use all 3 cups.
All 3 cups, yes.
So 6 cups.
We're gonna need 6 cups of water.
You're adding hot boiling water.
This is 2. We're gonna need 6 cups of hot water. 3. Let me put the langoustines. This is the beauty of this animal.
Stop bleeding.
Cup, and I see the water is pretty high here. I think I'm gonna use 5 cups. Okay, here's the time to add the saffron on the rice, and very little, spread it all over wherever you added the saffron with the rice.
And then the steam will kind of distribute it.
That's right. It's gonna make it all yellow.
Girard is adding the last touches here, and he just added the saffron.
Yep.
Now what's the next step?
Well, we're gonna cover all of this with the foil
Uh-huh.
and let it cook. Let it cook for an hour plus.
Okay, Girard had put the last touches here. He covered it. It's going to simmer with its own steam, and it's going to take about an hour, right?
An hour, maybe a little
So-
bit more, but we'll see. We'll check it out
An
and
hour
see.
or so, we'll have the end result, and we'll share it with you guys.
The Tête de Moine is a Swiss cheese, and it looks like the priest's head. They cut it this way. They cut their hair this way. They used to, and that's what it looks like. You want to zoom in? You see
Okay.
how the head
Let
of
me
the
zoom in.
priest is?
Oh yeah,
You see that?
so that's what it means?
That
Tête
it means
noire?
tête de moine, the head of a priest.
Oh, head of a priest.
Yeah. So, and it goes like this. Put it right in the center. I think this is not the center. Go through it.
Oh, you have to punch the hole?
Oh, sideways.
Didn't go. But it can still do it, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't have to be perfectly in the center.
No. So, actually, the flowers will come up a little better.
Oh my god, this looks great. Oh wow.
Looks amazing.
Cheers, cheers.
Well done.
Cheers you guys. Our
Cheers.
paella is ready. Now we are going to put it on the table and enjoy it.
Cheers to friendship.
Cheers to everybody. To Maria who purchased everything and she put together all the ingredients. And to our chef today, Girard, who cooked for us. Now we are going to enjoy it.
Thank you,
guys.
Margaret, for
Thank
putting
you.
this together.
Thank
And
you.
welcome to our guests. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining us, making it even more interesting
Thank
and
you.
even more tasteful. Thank you, Maria and Girard, for hosting this wonderful dinner, and thanks for cooking for us. Special thanks to Girard for putting all this hard work, and thank you, Maria, for cooking and cleaning and chopping and doing all the background work. I very, very much appreciate it. And lastly, thank you all for joining us today at Margaret LALIK'S kitchen. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, I would highly recommend you and invite you to join us and to subscribe at my channel. We do release new videos every Sunday. Wishing you all very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye-bye.